Opposite of bells and whistles. Bells and whistles refers to non-essential features, visual or functional, that are an enhancement to the object. What is the opposite of bells and whistles?
I would call those the nuts and bolts. Figure the mundane workings of something, the basics of something. See also get down to the nuts and bolts. I want you to learn how to write well. You have to know the nuts and bolts of writing. She's got a lot of good, general ideas, but when it comes to the nuts and bolts of getting something done, she's no good.
I would say that things that are opposites of bells and whistles, that is, they are not optional, are essential, adjective, or essentials, noun. Another noun that would work is necessity. Edit. Since a more metaphorical example was asked for, I shall provide one that I think fits decently: meat and potatoes. The meat and potatoes are the basic, necessary things. This is the opposite of bells and whistles.
Having lived on both sides of the Atlantic, I can confirm that meat and potatoes is used not only by North Americans, but also by English speakers across the pond. I believe both meat and potatoes and bare bones work in this context.
Brass tacks means the fundamental or essential elements. It is often used as let's get down to brass tacks. Phrase defined. Another option is nitty-gritty, which means the essentials or basics. Merriam-Webster definition.
The company I work for uses the term table stakes. Wikipedia says, in business, table stakes also refers to the minimum entry requirement for a market or business arrangement. It can refer to pricing, cost models, technology, or other capability that represents a minimum requirement to have a credible competitive starting position in a market or other business arrangement. For example, if you want to be a wireless service provider, the table stakes are the basic features you need to have in order to be in that business to achieve foundation capability, network, handsets, a data service, a mail server, etc. Beyond that, real competitive advantage comes from additional nimbleness and cost or product differentiation.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.